gĩa githirikari na ta stipa nikiruguritie mubango wa Guthaitira bunda gicigo-ini kia Nyanza kuringana na abitha wa mibango na mibango gikundi-ini giki merab okwara augite mubango uyu urongoreirie kugitira ihoto cia nyamu ici ni mubango uria ni wa kuigira bunda ici insurance na kuria o ndigiri ithatu ciringi wa ciringi 700 o mweri ni hindi ya uheani wa njanjo kuri ndigiri ici na kuria makiria ma ndigiri 300 cietwo njanjo icigo-ini cia Bondo na Rarienda.
Realized that the donkey as an animal has not been protected by most farmers. Actually, the care of donkeys has been neglected, unlike other animals, because most of these farmers overwork the donkey, and the donkey is the one that does most of the work for them. But even when the donkey is sick, they don't take care of the health of the donkey.
My name is Clay Kamangwe, Dr. Clay Kamangwe, the sub-county veterinary officer. This year we gave a lot of emphasis, especially in this area called South Sakwa Ward, to do the donkey vaccination amongst the group members. And also even those who are not members were encouraged to come. We expected 100% turnout, but we are still glad that at least above 80%.
My name is John Nezunolo. I'm from Rachar sub-location, Nyabeda village. Today, we are celebrating World Rabies Day, whereby our health officials from Rarieda sub-district veterinary officers are here with us so that they can help us initiate the program of vaccinating our animals, whereby today they are treating our donkeys and dogs.